Magomanite kanini na kanene andu aya aria mari na mawathe nimekinyirie thukuru-ini uyu niguo gukungwira muthenya uyu noho kwamukira ithimi itiganite cia miri yao na niguo kumahotithia kwamukira urigitani. Kuringana na mubunge Mwamure na uria nowe muikariri giti wa kanjo andu aria mari na mawathe bururi-ini Davidson Cook, andu aria mari na mawathe marabatara kuheo kanya ga kuruta mawira mao ithenya ria kuiguirwo tha na kuheo teithio wa kahinda kanini tu.
And that is why we are calling upon the government, first of all, to observe this theme of transformation towards a sustainable and inclusive society for all of us. Nothing for us without us. We will need that in any development of this country, person with disability must be included.
Osan Cook ni akomithitie andu aria metuaga mari na mawathe mari na itanya ria kugunika na uteithio uria ukoragwo wigiirwo aria mari na mawathe.
As person with disability, we have seen delegation of this country representing the country in other international forums, and we have witnessed that there is no person with disability. We will need that whenever there is a delegation to represent this country in international forum, 15% must be person with disability.
Nake murugamiriri munene wa Lotto Foundation Brian Walucho neugite ni merutire na kuiga keheri kigina ya gutigire andu aria mari na mawathe ni matungatirwo na kwamukira urigitani utari na marihi ta uria megwikaga muthenya wa umuthi.
Today we had a very encouraging turnout of about 400 people, and the number still keeps streaming in. It shows that there is a real need within the society and that the message is going out.
Ohide-ini oro riu murugamiriri munene wa thibitari wa Kio International Abed Milelu neugite mirango yao ni mihingure niguo gutigire aria mari na mawathe ni mamukira urigitani thibitari ni andu aria makoragwo na thina wa mahindi uria uri itura-ini ria Kijabi mateguthinika.
Hasa watoto ambao wazazi wao hawana uwezo wa kuweza kulipa, tunaweza kuwasaidia kupitia huyo mradi tunafanya na Lotto Foundation na Media Max.
Nake mwendi umwe wa miariro guku Nairobi na uria ukoragwo na wathe wa maguru ni ikiti ihoya kuri thirikari gutigira matina nyamario hindi ria marahura biashara ciao niguo mote gutwarithia miturire yao na mbere.
Andu ta ithuiri ndiamenya niki kiratuma governor rigano ri ithui tondu guku thaa cio twikara twina bara ya kanju tondu in fact no thaa ici twi guku ri kwina andu thaa ici marauga mawira mao ri ni manyite na matie mararekio.
Nake mubunge wa Starehe na nowe murugamiriri munene wa Jaguar Foundation neugite ni merutire guteithiriria huri biashara aria mari na mawathe guku Nairobi na kuheana bathi irere teithagiriria aria mari na mawathe magongona-ini mao gutari marihi o mothe.
Bathi no ni agukua andu amwe disabled taru kiro agitigia thutha nituthondekete andu disabled haria mangiikara tondu makoretwo na thina nigukorwo na thina ucio.
Kuga mundu ari na wathe ti kuga muturire wake ni wakinya muthia no muthe tukiririkana gukungwira andu aria mari na mawathe ni wega kumahe hinya na kumwomerera niguo nao mahote gutwarithia miturire yao na mbere. Ngiribotera ceceni ya Kameme TV nie Geto Wanjiru wa Njuguna.